Python is used not only by programmers. It also can be used by science and business for data analysis or by simple users for automating daily routine tasks. Also in software development for testing and so on. The great plus of Python is its powerful syntaxes. It needs much less amount of code lines to perform same task comparing with other programming languages. Also, Python has a huge community which created a lot of libraries which can be used in future while coding, and it will save your time. The downside here is the speed. Python is much more slower than other programming languages. However, each language has been developed for its purpose, and as far as we are not using Python for programming hardware, it's not actually a minus. Let's imagine we have our source code written in any txt file which we later can rename in .py to be executed or whatever, and somehow we need to translate this code to machine language because our machine language doesn't understand neither Python, Java, whatever. It's needed zeros and ones. For this, we need a translator. Usually, it's another program written to translate your code written on Python or on any other language to machine language. It can be either interpreter or compilator. The difference is that interpreter takes your code from source file line by line and execute it, while compilator compile a binary file and execute all at once. When you install Python on your machine, actually you're installing interpreter together with virtual machine, and this interpreter with virtual machine can be written on C, on Java, on Python itself, or on .NET framework. By default, when you install it from official website, it's written on C, Python, and you install interpreter and virtual machine. When it's installed, you would need any editor to write your code correctly. I would suggest Visual Studio or Visual Studio Code, or as alternative, more light version Sublime Text. But be aware that this is editor which has been created to write code for any programming languages, and when you would like to use it for Python, for example, you will need to install external packages for different tasks. If you don't want to do it, use IDE, Integrated Development Environment. Then you will need to install PyCharm or Spyder, and it will be already ready to use and programming on Python. As a homework, please try to install translator and code editor yourself.